That's hot. This is like the short version of what I'm wearing. I like that. That's sick. And it's really good quality too, like really thick. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's 44. Okay, so kia ora ko te aho, I tēnei wā kei Northcote aho, and we're going to go into Save Mart and I'm just gonna show you some tips on thrifting. So the challenge for today is I'm gonna try and find an outfit for 60 bucks or under. Playing with the big birds, you don't understand. I am not the good girl you think that I am, but it's way too late. So go USA if you don't like it. Ko taku whakaaro tuatahi mō te kimi kākahu. Ko te haere ki waho te pito o te taone I te mea te haere, te nuinga o ngā tangata kimi kākahu ki ngā wāhi pēnei Northcote, I te ia māngere ngera atu wāhi o Tāmaki. Oh yeah, here we go. So obviously the place I have chosen to bring you guys is the Northcote Save Mart, and this was like a local kind of for me when I was a poor student and living in Glenfield, because I kind of just had the whakaaro that all of the bougie mamas like drop their stuff off here, so it's a good spot to kind of thrift. Aku whakaaro tuarua kia toro atu ki ngā kākahu tāne, ngā kākahu wahine, e hare I te mea me mau anahe I ngā kākahu, mena he wahine koe I ngā kākahu wahine, like, kore kau. Toro atu ki ngā mea katoa, maraira ka tino papai atu to āhua. So I feel like this is kind of like a Kurt Cobain-esque, like cool kind of moment. And then the other one I really love, this is just very like marae for me, you know? I just really love it. It's something that looks like you'd kind of go eeling in. Well, I used to go eeling in this kind of stuff. So I love these. Te Kahu is my Reo Māori project. So all of the songs and the music that I release will be in Te Reo. Te Kahu's all about like reclaiming our traditional ways of writing and then putting that to kind of like modern instrumentation. I hope that it'll be something that I follow for the rest of my life and that will kind of be a gift to my people, but also that it'll be like accessible and listened to by non-Māori as well and kind of help to normalize Te Reo as well. Oh, they've got vests as well. Oh, that's sick. Oh, I like the vest. I think that's hot, actually. I really like that. Okay, so that's sick. Matches some chains, cap, jeans. It's hot. I like it. Mena e ahua he ana nge tehi kākahu o ka taia te rongo ai I tērā mea ki me te patch pēnei. So ka taia te puru ki runga, o ka taia te tuitui me te muka. Kia pai ake ngā kara no hoki, ngā tai I runga. Ai. Te Reo is phenomenally beautiful language where everything we do, if you're kind of harnessing that traditional way of speaking, is all about metaphors and forming pictures. If I was to say my koe taught me Te Reo, I would say nā taku koe I whakatō te kākono ki roto I ahau kia whai Te Reo. So that's like my grandmother sowed the seed within me to pursue Te Reo. So it's like everything is definitely very metaphorical and using lots of pictures. Kia kaua e tiro ana he ki ngā reipara meki I rangana, ki ngā taipara o ngā kākahu. I te mea tēnā pua ka kore koe ki te ngā mea papai e huna ana. They've got like a really nice straight leg. Straight leg's hot. And then I'd like just cut it so it frays and probably take it to 7/8, which is like just above the ankle, because I think that's sexy. I definitely think there's been a resurgence in young Indigenous peoples reclaiming our identity through fashion and also kind of mixing it with our urban fashion as well, which I think is like this perfect mix between like urban and traditional. I mean, that's literally like the story of, you know, post-colonization New Zealand, so I love that it's reflected in the fashion as well. This is so cute. Oh, this one's a cutie too, but I love G-Dragon, so I'm gonna go with this one. Plus I love these. Gangsta. It's really cool. So now I'm gonna check out. I love my finds, and I hope that, you know, you got some really good tips about thrifting.